So to get the most out of your colour, I want to show you Hue Dini, which is our Colour Protect leave-in treatment. So it really is the ultimate multitasker. It can be used on damp or dry hair just to refresh, but today we're going to use it on your towel-dried hair. So spray it through globally and you can feel that instant slip. Acts really well as a detangler as well. Here, you have a go on the other side.
Thank you.
So the hydrolyzed quinoa and jojoba help to strengthen, lock in colour and make things more manageable with really great shine. The sunflower seed oil and the vitamin E are super nourishing and packed full of antioxidants to protect the colour from dulling and fading. And because it's a leave-in product, you can go about your day knowing that you'll be protected from things like UV and heat styling. So you can see with using just this product alone how healthy and vibrant and shiny your hair looks and feels.